Now let's take a look at why you need Ultimate Smooth in your salon.
Half of all women battle with dry, dull or frizzy hair, and we know that 9 out of 10 clients are willing to pay extra and also invest more time in indulgent care services.
Any guests who visit your salon for a cut and blow dry is a great opportunity for Ultimate Smooth.
The Ultimate Smooth service combines luxurious cleansing, intense mask treatment and smoothing blow dry, resulting in thoroughly nourished hair and long-lasting smoothness.
It's a perfect add-on to elevate and upcharge your services. You get impeccably smooth results and better service revenue and delighted clients.
A thorough consultation is the cornerstone of exceptional care service. Take a close look at the hair together with the client, its movement, texture, and overall condition. After the service, revisit the same aspects so she can really see the transformative effect of the care service. Begin the backwash experience by shampooing the hair twice if needed, concentrating on the root area. Blend the mask and oil together for intense, rich salon treatment.
Apply the mixture section by section on towel-dried hair, concentrating on the lengths and ends. Let it work its magic for 5 minutes, during which you can treat your client to a blissful scalp massage for an added touch of relaxation. Finish with a miracle oil serum on damp hair and let it melt into the hair for 30 seconds while combing through the hair before styling. Miracle Oil Serum is a versatile product in the salon. For example, use it as a pre-shampoo for very dry lengths and ends. It helps to protect the most dry and frizzy areas from over-cleansing. Mix it with a mask to tailor for a more rich and intense treatment. Use 1 pump per 5 grams of mask. For example, 25 grams of mask and 5 pumps of oil. Mix them and apply section by section with a brush.
If your client has dry frizzy hair with damage, you can well also combine the Ultimate Repair Miracle Hair Rescue with the Ultimate Smooth. In that case, apply the Miracle Hair Rescue first, comb through and leave in for 90 seconds. Then continue applying the oil on top.
It's good to know that all Ultimate Smooth products are suitable for colored hair, vegan and dermatologically tested.
It's time to wrap up with the key points to remember about the Ultimate Smooth.
Ultimate Smooth lineup is ideal for dry, dull and frizzy hair, making the hair smoother and shinier with lasting frizz control.
It contains a patented technology with the skincare-inspired ingredients Wella and omega-9, nourishing the hair inside out.
The must-have product is the Miracle Oil Serum. Nourishes the hair in only 30 seconds.
For ultimate results, guide your client to use the full regimen and remember the versatile use of the oil.
Thank you for joining us. We hope you and your clients will enjoy the Ultimate Smooth experience.